Hello everyone, welcome back to Drive Your Logic. Today I'm back again with square trick. Today I'll show you how to square 3-digit number. So let's start 3-digit number. So there are 4 types. Today I'm going to show you 4 types of squaring a 3-digit number. So first let me start with type 1. What is that? Type 1 I have shown you in one of my video. You can see there also. When the center number is 0, then how to square a number? So 302 square. Okay, so how to square this type of number? So what I will do? First you take 3 dash. Okay, so 9 square and 3 square is 9. 2 square, that is 4. Okay, and when you write down as double digit. Okay, you write down as double digit number. And then 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. Okay. So like this you write down, and then while writing the answer, just you write down whatever is given in this way. So that's your answer. So this is your answer. Clear? So this is when the center is 0. One more example I'm showing you, like 505 square. So 5 square is how much? 25. Here also 5 square is 25. 5 into 5, that is 5 into 5 into 2. Here what I have done? 3 into 2 into 2. This 2. Okay. And 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. That's why you got 12 here. So here what we are getting? 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 2, that is 50. So write down 50 here. Now you just write down whatever is written. 5, 2, 0, 5, 2, 5, and that's your answer. So there can be something like that you get 3 digits number. That time whenever you get 3 digits number, suppose here you are getting any 3 digits number, what you will do? You write down only 2 numbers, 2 digits, and 1 digit you carry here. And addition also, just add full like 50 plus that one. Don't add single digit. I will show you in my next sum. So let's do the next one. So this is type 1. I hope it is clear, type 1 sums. Now we will do type 2. So type 2, this is type 2. Okay, and in type 2 what we are going to do? 3, 1, 2 we will write in this way. 3 we will take as one number and 12 we will take as another number. So what is 3 square? 3 square is 9. Same way you give 3 dash. Okay, so always put 2 because I'm doing it so that you will put 2 digits. Okay, you have to put 2 digits. Then 12 square is how much? 144. Now 144 you can't write, you have to write down 2 digits, right? So you will write down 44 here, and that 1 you just take it here as carry. So now the center one, what you will write down? 3 into 12 into 2. So 3 into 12 into 2, that is equals to 72. So 72 you write down here, and when you will add this one, you just add as 72 plus 1, that is 73 whole you have to count. Okay, now you write the answer as it is. So 4, 72 plus 1, that is 73. And then the last one, 90, no need of writing. So that's your answer. 97344, that is your answer. So let me show you one more example. Six one four square. So I will write down 6 square, that is 36. 14 square. Now suppose you don't know what is 14 square. See, if you can learn, that is fine. Then if you don't know, you know the square root tricks. 1 square is, write down 0, 1. 4 square is how much? 16. 1 into 4 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So write down this one. So while writing the answer, what you will write down? Here you have to write down a single digit. Okay, for 2 digits number, single digit you have to take. So what I will do? 6 I will take. This one I will add here. So 8 plus 1, it will be 9. Okay, and 0 plus 1, it will be 1. So 196 is your answer. So 14 square is 196. Clear? Now 6 into 14 into 2. So 6 into 14 into 2, it will be 2 into 14, 2 into 6 is 12, 12 into 14 is 168. So center, you have to write down 168. Now suppose, see 168. So what I told you previously, you can write down only 2 digits here, correct? So but 3 digits, what is there then? So you will write down 2 digits, and what you will do, you will carry forward. So we will not write the 1 here, and this one also we will not write here. So what we will do, this one we will carry forward here, and this one 68 one we will carry forward here. Okay, so while writing the answer, what I will write down, this 69 is okay, 68 plus 1 is 69, so you write down 69, 36 plus 1 is 37. So your answer is 376996. That's your answer. So this is for type 2 sums. Okay, now I will show you type 3 sum. What is type 3? When the end digit is 0. So end digit 0 means what is the answer? 420 square. 420 square is very simple. So same way, you just cut it from in between. Okay, so 4 square is how much? 16. 20 square is how much? 400. Okay, and 4 into 20 into 2, that is 160. Same way, only 2 digits you can write here. So this 4 will be carried here. You don't no need of writing it here. And this one you carry it here. Okay, you will write only 2 digits. So answer 0, 0, 0. Okay, so 0 here, 0, 0, and then 60 plus 4, that is 64, and 16 plus 1, that is 17. So your answer is 176400. 176400 is your answer. Clear? Now I will show you the last part, that is the type 4, and this is the most important one, type 4. So please pay attention and check the full video. Okay, don't forget. So when there is mixed type of sum, suppose 2 to 4, any number you can take, not only 2 to 4, any number, same way you will do, you will take same way. So 2 square is how much? 2 square is 4. 24 square, you can find it out. 24 square is 576. You can use the square root trick of 2-digit number, that is 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, 2 into 4 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16. So while writing time, you will write single digit. Okay, so this one will be carried forward, one will be carried forward. So 6 here, and then 16. The 6 plus this one will be 7, and this one will be carried here. So it will be 576. So that's 576. Okay. Now you have to multiply 2 into. So what you will multiply? 2 into 24 into 2. This one, middle part, for the middle part. 2 into 24 into this one. And this 5, no need of writing it here. It will be carried forward here. So 2 into 24 into 2. It will be 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 24 is 96. So 96, here you will write down 96. So while writing the answer, what you will write down? 6 will be here, 7 will be here, 96 plus 5. So 101. 101. So 101, what you will write down? Only 2 digits. So 0, 1 and 1 will be carried here. So 4 plus 1, that is 5. So 50176. It's very easy. You just have to remember, while doing 2-digit square, you have to take 3 dash, but 1 digit should be there, and the next one, it will be carried forward. And for 3-digit squaring, same 3 dash will be there, but 2 digits will be there. If it is extra digit, you carry it to the next one. And adding time also, you have to do same thing. Suppose after adding, suppose you are adding 7 6, it's okay that this one, but 9 6 after adding, see 96 plus 5, it is 101. It is 3 digit. So you will write down only 2 digit here, and the next one, the 100 plus 1, you just carry forward. So 4 plus 1, that is 5. So that's all for today. Just go through the full video. It's very interesting, and here you will learn about 3-digit squaring properly. Okay, and if you want to see about 2 digits also, check my other videos in mental maths playlist. Okay, you will see all the squaring are given there, and I will show you how to cube. In my next video, I will show you how to cube a double digit number. I will start with double digit, then I will show you 3-digit also. So thank you for today. If you like my video, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Tada.